Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Students, we are going to do now the practical problem number 3 in your textbook. Okay, I'll read out the sum for you and then explain you, and then we will do the sum on the board. Vasu and Viraj share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as follows. See, liabilities amount, assets amount are given to you. See, liabilities, sundry creditors 45,000, general reserve 30,000, capital Vasu 1,08,000 and Viraj 72,000. Asset side, cash at bank is given as 750, sundry debtors 66,750, stock 25,500, investment 36,000, then plant 90,000, building 36,000. The total of balance sheet is 2,55,000. They admitted Hari into partnership on 1st April 2019. Now, what are they are going to do? See, he shall bring rupees 60,000 as his capital for the 1/4 share in future profits. How much he is going to bring? Capital 60,000. Value of goodwill of the firm to be fixed at average profits for the last 3 years. Now profits are given to you 2009-10, 48,000, 10-11, 81,000 and 2011-12, 73,500. Hari is unable to bring the value of goodwill in cash. Now Hari, he is unable to bring. That is why we have to now raise the value of goodwill in the books of accounts of our firm. Okay. So it is decided to raise the goodwill in the books of the accounts. Now number 3rd, reserve for doubtful debts is to be created at 1,500. Then closing stock is to be valued at 22,500. What is the value of stock in the existing balance sheet? 25,500 is given. There is a decrease from 25 to how much it is made? 22,500. Then 5th one, plant and building be depreciated by 5%. Now what is the value of plant? 90,000. Of that 5%, that comes to 4,500. And building also is to be depreciated at 5,000. So how much it comes to? 7,000, sorry, the 36,000, 5%, how much it will come to? How much it will come to? 4,500. Building 1,800 it will come to. 3,200 means 3,200. Make it half, 1,800 it will come to. Okay, 5%. Now we will start with the sum. I'll explain you the working. Okay. Now see, working note. Now how we are going to value, and now in this problem they had said that goodwill be valued at average on the average profit. On the average profit they have said. Okay. So valuation of goodwill we are going to do. Now see, valuation of goodwill, what will be the average goodwill? Will be total profits upon number of years. Okay. See, for 2009-10, what is the profit? 48,000. 10-11, 81,000. Then 11-12, 3,500. 73,500. Now if you total 48,000 plus 81,000 plus 73,500, total comes to 2,02,500. Divide how many? 1, 2 and 3. So number of years 3. So if you divide this, you will get the valuation of goodwill. On average profits comes to rupees 67,500. Now what they have said, see, they are unable to bring the amount of goodwill by new partner, therefore decided to raise the goodwill. Now this is the value of goodwill that he should have brought. The new partner should have brought. But since he is unable, we are going to raise this value for the accounting purpose. So goodwill account debit 67,500 to Vasu's capital account 40,500 to Virat's capital account 27,000. How this has come? We have taken it in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem. See, I have made first 3 accounts, that is profit and loss adjustment or revaluation account. So particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Now revaluation of assets and liabilities we are going to do in this. So first, what they have said, first adjustment means number 3rd adjustment. Now first was he is bringing rupees 60,000 as his capital. Second adjustment was valuation of goodwill as he is unable to bring the amount of goodwill. Then third adjustment, RDD, provision for doubtful debts at rupees 1,500. So we are going to write 2 RDD, how much? 1,500, because they have given the amount, no need of calculations. Then next, closing stock is to be valued at 22,000. What is the value as per the existing balance sheet? Old balance sheet 25,500. Now they have made valuation less. So to stock, by how much they have made less? By 3,000. 25,500 minus 22,500. So 3,000. Then to plant. Plant is to be valued at, is to be depreciated at 5%. So how much it will come to? 90,000 ka 5% kitna aega? 4,500. And to building is also to be depreciated by 5%. That will come to 1,800. See, as such, nothing is being revalued or increased in the value of asset. There is no increase in the value of assets. Only there is decrease in the value of assets. So there is a loss on revaluation. What is this? This is a loss on revaluation. So we are going to total up how much? 8,000 sorry, 10,800 is the total. So by revaluation into bracket loss. Now Vasu's capital and Virat's capital. $6,480, $4,320. How this has come? Total 10,800 into 3 upon 5, then 10,800 into 2 upon 5. So this will be the amounts that they are going to share the losses. Now see, bank account shows a debit opening balance always. So to balance brought down, how much is the value as per the existing balance sheet? 750. Now, who is the incoming partner? Hari. And Hari has brought in the first adjustment, that is said, Hari has bought rupees 60,000 as his capital for 1/4 share in the future profits. So what will be the journal entry? Bank account debit to Hari's capital account will be the journal entry, because we are in receipt of cash for the firm. And who is giving? Hari is giving. So to Hari's capital account. How much? 60,000. Has he bought the amount of goodwill in cash? No. He has not bought the amount of goodwill in cash. Instead, we have raised the amount of goodwill. And how we have raised? We have valued the goodwill at last 3 years' profits. We have taken out the average profits, and that is the value of goodwill we have decided. Okay, in the partnership. So now see what will be the journal entry. Here also I have shown you goodwill account debit to Vasu's capital account to Virat's capital account. That comes to 40,500, 27,000. Now we will close this. 67,500 by balance carried down. Now this will be transferred to new balance sheet. $67,500. Here we close the goodwill account. I have shown. It is not asked, but I have shown this to understand it clearly. Here goodwill account debit. So goodwill account debit to, always we write to this side. So it is to Vasu's capital account to Virat's capital account. In the capital account, we are going to write it on the credit side. Okay. Now we are going to prepare capital account and the new balance sheet. I hope this is understood by you all. Now we are going to see the capital accounts and the balance sheet. Up till now what we have seen? Profit and loss adjustment account, revaluation account. Then I have prepared cash account as well as goodwill account. Now the new balance sheet and the partners capital account. See, partners capital account. Partners capital account. Now, by balance brought down. What was the balances? 1,08,000 of Vasu and Viraj 72,000. In the existing balance sheet which was given to you before admission, in that the balances of capital appear as 1,08,000 and 72,000. Now Hari has brought capital of rupees 60,000. So bank account debit to Hari's capital. So by bank we have written 60,000 in Hari's column. Now we have raised the amount of goodwill by rupees 67,500, and which we are going to have it in the capital account. So goodwill account, what is the entry for raising of goodwill? Goodwill account debit to partners capital account. So by goodwill 40,500 and 27,000. Now in your old balance sheet or the before admission balance sheet is given to you, in that general reserve is amounting to 30,000. This is the accumulated profit which you are going to share in their old profit sharing ratio. And what is the old profit sharing ratio? 3:2 is the old profit sharing ratio. So by general reserve 18,000 and 12,000. Now on revaluation of assets and liabilities, there we had a loss on revaluation. Okay, so that was also distributed in their old profit sharing ratio. So to revaluation account 6,480 and 4,320. Okay, this is the revaluation loss. How much? 6,480 and 4,320. Now, if you see the credit side total comes of Vasus is 1,66,500 minus 6,480. The remaining will be by balance carried down, and this will be transferred to balance sheet. So how much it comes to? 1,60,020. Is it clear? Then of Viraj's capital comes to 1,11,000. We are going to write it over here. 1,11,000 minus 4,320. So the remaining will be 1,06,680. Then see, Hari's capital 60,000. Now here we are going to write 60,000 because Hari does not has anything in the debit side. So we are going to, now these balances are written over here. 1,60,000 and 20, 1,06,000 and 680 and 60,000. Now the balance. Now we are going to study the balance sheet. Okay. Now on the liability side, sundry creditors as it is we have taken. Balances of capital, that just now I said 1,60,020. Then 1,06,680. This 60,000 here. Now this side is complete. Now asset side, cash at bank. The opening balance on cash was 720. We have added up Hari's capital of 60,000. So total comes to 60,750. Sundry debtors. There was a provision of RDD. So we have made a provision of RDD, and that total comes to outer column 65,250. Now stock, according to the existing balance sheet before, it was given as 25,500 less depreciation 3,000, because revalued value is to have to come to the outer column 22,500. Investment, no change is there. Plant is to be depreciated at 5% and building at 5%. So 90,000, 5% if you take out 4,500, outer column 85,500. Then building 36,000 minus 1,800, so outer column 34,200. Now the goodwill, when we had prepared the goodwill account, I had written by balance carried down and transferred it to balance sheet. This will appear in the balance sheet. This goodwill will appear in the balance sheet. So it has appeared. See, goodwill account 67,500. If you total up asset side, it comes to 3,71,700. Liabilities side also 3,71,700. Here we have completed problem number 3. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box. I will solve your doubts.